alone, scared and silent. I could no longer be after 2 years of my HIV diagnosis. I needed to tell my family. There was no one else but me, my husband, and doctor that knew. That Saturday afternoon, as I waited nervously, pacing back and forth for them to arrive, I remember the smell of beans and green chili cooking on the stove in my small but cozy kitchen, listening to the clock on the wall ticking. My mind racing, thinking, how do I start? How do I say it out loud? How will they react? As we sat around the table, eating, laughing, joking, enjoying each other like times before, I watched Muggs, my ex-boxer brother, running the show like he did in the ring. Wondering, will this be the last time we will do this? Will they still want me to be in their lives? Taking a deep breath, I remember saying it out loud for the first time to them and myself to hear. I had tested HIV positive. Heart pounding, feeling my own reaction of disbelief, I waited for their reaction. As tears rolled down my face, I remember seeing their tears. I didn't want to believe this was really happening. I wanted to run and never stop. But one by one, they each came up to me and hugged me as I so longed for them to do the first day of my diagnosis. A sense came over me of relief and calmness. I remember thinking it was going to be all right. That was the day I began my fight, my will to live, remembering this virus is only a part of who I am. Because of my family's encouragement and support, I will continue to live a full life, not letting anything stop me. Always remembering, this warrior woman, fighter, will never give up. Words from my ex-boxer brother that passed away. His encouragement has brought meaning to my life to this day.